improvement, innovation, and development. Improvement just means to get better. It's a noun which means to get better. Innovation means to create something new, to innovate. For example, electric vehicles are an innovation of the last 20 or 30 years. They're something new which has been created. People innovated this innovation, something new. And finally, development. Development has a much bigger meaning. Development simply means overall social, economic, or cultural change, improving development. So, for example, economic development, people having more money and more economic freedom. Cultural and social development, improving society, fairer, better society. This is called development, and it's an abstract noun used very generally. That's all for now. Follow us to personalize your journey with IELTS experts.